Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Sharp Rouvo V for Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. This is a new budget smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. So yeah, it's pretty interesting that we have a Sharp phone in the US. It's been a long time since I've seen a Sharp phone in the US. The last Sharp phone that I know of that was in the US was a Sharp Aquos Crystal for Sprint and Beast Mobile back in 2014. That's the last Sharp phone in the US that I remember. Y'all guys know that Sharp, they make TVs and stuff like that, and they make phones as well and stuff like that. But Sharp is not really popular here in the US in terms of like phones and stuff. It's rare that you guys would see a Sharp phone in the US. It's rare. They used to make sidekicks back in the day, so that was cool. So yeah, this is the Sharp Rouvo V prepaid. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but close enough. So it's available in the turquoise color, 32 GB of storage, and it's $89.99. No contracts, of course. So like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so you do get what you pay for here. Yeah. So there's the phone in its entirety there on the front. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Teardrop notch with front facing camera there. A piece above that. You do have some bezels there on the bottom. Nice looking wallpaper there. Very nice, you know. Digging it. This is a 4G phone only. There is no 5G on this phone here. So yeah. There's the back of the phone, and you guys will see a big turn off already is the single rear camera in the back. That's like a con, like especially nowadays in 2022, because budget phones have at least 3 or 4 cameras on the back of them. This one only has one, so that might be a deal breaker for a lot of folks out there. It looks very nice. It has like a turquoise color, that's what it says. But it looks like a light blue color on the screen here. So yeah, anyways, you guys got camo flash fingerprint sensor in the back, Sharp logo, and the Verizon logo there on the back of the phone. That's the front. Right side power button, volume keys. That's right. This front and this left side and back, front and back. I don't know if the battery comes out, or I don't know if the battery is removable or not. I doubt it. So in that case, the micro SD and SIM card slide will be on the left side of the phone. So yeah. So the Sharp Rouvo has 11.1 days of standby time, 88.48 hours of usage time, 8 megapixel autofocus flashed single LED camera. It says single, and y'all guys know it's a rear camera, one rear camera in the back, and not multiple cameras, which is gonna be a deal breaker for a lot of folks. Meet the Sharp Rouvo V. See more on the 6.5-inch display. Take stunning photos with the HDR camera in real time. Portrait enhancement features built in. Experience unparalleled performance with a powerful processor and long-lasting battery life. Do all this and more when you pair the Sharp Rouvo V with Verizon, the network America relies on. Alright. Bigger is better. See more on the 6.5-inch display. Complete with the 20:9 aspect ratio to make cinematic viewing possible on your smartphone. Alright. Take stunning photos with the HDR camera. Says take panoramic photos, portrait photos, or HDR photos with the full HD camera system. featuring impressive AI-enabled tools that help you improve your shots with reductions in blur, noise, bright lighting, and more. Water and dust resistance built in, so pretty cool there. Not bad for a budget phone like this. It has IP, says enjoy a IP52. They protected from the elements and from life's little spills. So IP52, take that as you will though. So yeah, it's not IP68. I don't think you can submerge the phone in water. I don't think you can, but it says it's water and dust resistance. But it's rated IP52, so take that as you will. Feel the watching videos and responsiveness while playing games to watching videos to web browsing, powered by the quad-core processor, and store more of what you love of 3 GB of RAM and can 2 GB inch for additional storage space for your phone. Battery life is long lasting battery life to keep you going. Rouvo V is made for your long lasting enjoyment with more than 4 days of use and 101 hours of standby time on a single charge. So they claim 4 days of battery life on this thing. It better be a big ass battery. They claim 4 days of use, so it's basically saying 4 days of battery life. Basically what you're saying. Super sleek design with its sleek portable companion. The height of the Rouvo V is 6.69 inches. Nice. 3.4 inches width. 0.35 inches depth. The Sharp C V weighs 6.49 color, which is USB Type C. Noticeable, which it looks like materials, is a unibody. .52. Ready for dust and water. Screen size 6.526. I don't know the display holder. That's a 6.528 inch display. HD plus 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, TFT LCD display there, so nothing special. 11.1 days of standby time, 88.48 hours of usage time there. 3500 mAh battery, which is non-removable, small as fuck. Power share, Type C charger, so it has the power share feature on here, which is pretty cool, I guess. I don't know what you're gonna charge with this damn thing. Good luck charging anything with this thing, because it has like a small ass battery, and it has a 3500 mAh battery, which is small as fuck in today's standards. 5 megapixel front facing camera, which is fixed focus, no shit. 8 megapixel rear facing camera, that's just one rear camera. Autofocus, single LED flash. Video recording up to 1080p, 30 frames per second. 1.8 gigahertz quad-core processor. Android 12, up to 128 gigabytes of micro SD expansion, up to 10 devices of mobile hotspot usage, fingerprint sensor on the rear, Bluetooth 5.0, Google Assistant, 4G, of course. There is no 5G on this phone. Internet compatibilities. This is Sharp ratings and has Wi-Fi 8, 0211 ABG, and an AC. If you guys need help with your Sharp Rouvo V smartphone, Verizon has you covered with that, with device support here. So it says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. Alright. So what comes in the box is your Sharp Rouvo V prepaid smartphone, 3500 mAh battery, which is not removable. Prepaid brochures like terms and conditions and shit like that. 4G LTE SIM card pre-installed, and a USB Type-C cable with a wall charger, which is very nice to see. So yeah, do you guys have it? The Sharp Rouvo V is now available at Verizon Prepaid for $89.99. I haven't read much about this one. I have not read much about it. If you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, I mean, I guess you could check this phone out. But the biggest con about the phone is that it only has a single rear camera, plus the battery is small as fuck. But they claim 4 hours of battery life. They claim 4 days of battery life on here. So that's interesting. It does have Android 12, which is nice, which is a version behind now, because Android 13 is now here. So Android 12, which isn't terrible. Like the two biggest con about this phone is that it only has one camera in the back and a small ass battery at 3500 milliamps. That's fucking pitiful as fuck. But you do get the wireless power share on there. So it's just found wireless charging because it has power share on there. I guess you have to use I don't think it's like actual wireless power share though. You would have to use a cable to connect to a different device and charge that. So it's pretty interesting there. But like I said, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, y'all guys can check this phone out. Like I said, I have not read much about the phone. I saw this phone on Verizon Prepaid website, and that's the only reason I know about the phone. Because like I said, Sharp is not very popular here in the US in terms of like phones and stuff, but they make TVs and stuff like that. So it's kind of rare that you guys would see a Sharp phone in the US. The last time that I know that I saw a Sharp phone in the US was the Sharp Aquos Crystal for Sprint and Beast Mobile back in 2014, and that was 8 years ago. So it's been a long time since we've seen a Sharp phone in the US as far as I know. So yeah, pretty interesting phone there. Decent specs, I guess. You know, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. But there are some cons to the phone, of course. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.